Welcome to our solving series. Today we want to answer question under particle physics, and today we are picking May-June 2025 paper 2-1. This is question number 7. The first question says nitrogen 12 is an unstable isotope of nitrogen that decays by the emission of radiation to carbon 12. Complete the full nuclear equation for the decay, including all the particles involved. We see here 12N7. This will give us 12C6 plus 7 minus 6 is 1. Beta positive will come out plus neutrino. Whenever beta positive comes out, neutrino will also emit as energy. If it is beta negative, antineutrino will come out. Take note of that. Hydrogen 1 is an isotope of hydrogen. An atom of hydrogen comprises a proton with an orbiting electron. An antiparticle equivalent of hydrogen 1 comprises an antiproton with an orbiting positron. The antiquarks in the antiproton are the antiparticles of the quarks in a proton. State the charge of the positron in terms of the elementary charge. Since they're asking us to state, I will just state it. That is plus 1. State the group of fundamental particles to which positron belongs. Positron belongs to leptons. I'm going to show you leptons. How many of them are leptons? These are family of leptons that you should be able to know. We have the leptons family, which comprises of electron family. We have electron, positron, electron neutrino, and electron antineutrino. So electron, that is minus 1, positron, that is plus 1, neutrino has no, antineutrino, we have this. So these are things you need to know while studying. In table 7.1, state the flavor and charge of the 3 antiquarks that comprise the antiproton. It's important for you to know the antiproton and the proton. Proton basically is up, up, down. So if we are talking of antiproton, we will have anti-up, anti-up, and anti-down. And it will interest you to know that up is basically plus 2 over 3e, and down is basically minus 1 over 3e. By implication, anti-up, anti-down will now be minus 2 over 3e and plus 1 over 3e for anti-down. So let's put it here. Anti-up minus 2 over 3. Anti-up minus 2 over 3. Anti-down plus 1 over 3. If you put everything together, you have minus 2 over 3 minus 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3. That will give you minus 3 over 3e, which is minus 1e, the anti-up. So I want you to take note of this. These are recent paper questions that you have to know. If you have any challenge, kindly drop in the comment section. I will attend to you. So take note of that. And meanwhile, before I go, I want to remind you that proton and electron, they are not the same. Electron is a fundamental, which is under lepton, while proton and neutron, they are not fundamental because we can break them down. So proton is up, up, down. Neutron is up, down, down. So anti-neutron will be anti-up, anti-down, anti-down. Subscribe to receive more. Once I drop it, you receive the notification. Share with your friends and let's know how it helps you. See you in our next video.